G'day guys, Scotty here from Airborne Solutions. We've been busy working away building another spray trailer, a little bit better than the last. Yeah, we're getting pretty happy with how they're turning out. So a few of the features, that we've got an electric pump there that usually lives in that'll live in the toolbox of the customer's trailer. So it's nice and undercover. And in the toolbox is the generators and the drone. 1500 litre water tank, 20 litre induction hopper that's got sprinklers in it and all the washing stuff for rinsing your jugs. A 280 litre batch tank, and again a sprinkler inside the batch tank for cleaning, and a 15 metre retractable hose reel, and a 2-inch reliable old Honda pump, all mounted to a steel frame which can be bolted onto any trailer. They generally go on a 3.6 metre trailer. Yeah, so that's the basics of it. A few of the features would be something that we really wanted is on-demand fresh water. So whenever we turn this tap, we've got water for cleaning at any time, powered by the little pressure pump. The other thing it does is cleans our cone tank. So when I throw this lever, the cone is currently getting a nice shower for rinsing. It was something that was really important to us to make decontamination, a thorough decontamination, really quick and really easy. That's something that we do change a lot from herbicides, from herbicides to fungicides, so we needed to be able to do that. So the induction hopper folds right down to ground level, so we keep all our chemicals on the ground well away from the trailer when we're mixing. This means only really this area gets dirty, so at the end of the job we can use our water with a nice little hose, shower it all down, and job's nice and tidy. The induction hopper works by putting your granules, your powders, your liquids or anything into it, and it sucks it up into the batch tank, and we mix 4 or 5 or even 6 loads at a time. That's the basic features of the trailer. It obviously doesn't go on the mini truck every day. That's purely for the demonstration. But yeah, I can show you how the chemical sucks up and a little bit of the operation. So I've got our chemical here, got our pump running just above idle, and I've got a venturi in the bottom of the induction hopper, so the water's going round and round. We tip it in. And you can use powders or anything like that here, throw the switch, and away she goes up into the induction hopper. You can then use the spinning nozzle to clean your 20 litre containers. It's got another jet in there to push the powders through, and then it's also got like a toilet flush system. So, and again we can just throw the switch, away it goes up into the top of the tank. So we don't have to get on top of the tank at all. Once we've finished mixing, close the lid. At the moment it's recirculating, but if we throw this tap, the cone tank is currently filling, so then we fill it to the desired level, throw it back to recirculate, and we're ready to start filling the drone. So when the drone's out working, we have it recirculating, and when the drone comes into land, we just throw this tap, and all the pressure comes out the 15 metre hose and fills the drone in 30 or 40 seconds. The drone goes away again, flick the tap back to recirculating. Really simple operation. It may not quite look it, but once you've wrapped your head around the taps, it really is a piece of cake. Again, we really made it simple to clean. That was one of our big priorities, was to make the freshwater system really, really good. So cleaning was a breeze. It's a big risk to spray drone contractors is having leftover chemical in your mixing tank. So if you've got any questions about it, give us a call. We do a heap of different variants, so you can start off with literally just the pump and just the tank, no hose reel, no induction hopper, no green tank. So we have a few different options, but that system is fully upgradable. So once you decide you do want a hose reel, you can buy one and bolt it on. Once you decide you do want an induction hopper, you can buy one and bolt it on. So it's scalable. We wanted to make it so that when you bought a system, you didn't have to chuck it away to upgrade to the next one. Yeah, if you've got any questions, give myself or Jamie a call, shoot us an email, and we can help you get started on your spray drone journey. Thanks.